Alright, what's good, guys? So today, real quick, we're gonna do some Arroz Con Gandules, and we're only gonna use the rice cooker, and that's it. I use a pan, of course, but so you're gonna do 1 cup of rice. I throw a little black pepper in there. Also, you want to separate your gandules verdes from the liquid because it's salty, and I'll show you what to do with it after. You're gonna need some salsa en Goya. You're gonna need some black peppercorns, garlic, onion powder, and this is the only salt you ever want to use when you cook. Kosher salt. All right. And you're gonna take 3 cloves of garlic. You're just gonna rough chop it. And you're gonna take 1 small onion. I don't have a cutting board right now. All my stuff's in household goods, and I'm using a boning knife. So. Yeah, I'll be back once we start getting this, but first off, you're going to want to saute these two in the pan by themselves for a second. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, alright, so you're going to saute your peppers and onions like that, or garlic and onions, okay? Also, do not put any salt in the rice. Do not put salt in the rice. Alright, so that keeps sauteing. Oh, also I added another half a small onion. When I say small onion, I literally mean like, I'll show you how small the onion is. Like tiny, like it's tiny, like it's the smallest onion. I used 1.5 of those. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so you want your peppers and your onions and garlic to have some color to them. Alright, you're going to take your beans with no liquid. You're going to drop them in. No liquid in here. God damn it. Alright. Get that nice little tossed. Spread everything around. Alright, now let that cook. I'm in the barracks right now. So you're probably wondering why I'm doing everything for a while. Because one, the stove has the oven has a timer. And you gotta keep resetting it. I don't even have an oven, so it's not, I can't bake chicken or anything like that. About a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, I made this with some chicken thighs, and everyone on my Snapchat was like, hey, make this, show me how to make it. So I'll show you guys how to make it. This is, I spilled some pepper on these stuff. So I'm just taking another ground pepper, throw that in there. A little bit of onion powder, not a lot. A little bit of garlic powder. I like garlic, so I don't care. No salt. There's no salt in this yet, at all. These are salty. Oh shit. I forgot. You're also going to need these. You're going to need these bad boys. Forgot about that, my bad. Whew. I'm just getting a little color on the beans. This is going to look sweet in 4K. I just got this GoPro. Y'all are probably going to be weirded out because I've been making dirt bike videos and now I'm making some cooking. I don't know where else to post the video, so I'm going to post it on my regular channel. So don't eat. Alright, 1 sec. You're going to take 2 packages of sauce en Goya. Throw them in. shut off the air. Here, show them how to do this right here. Sorry, it's kind of a mess now. Alright, now you're going to take, this is a 1/3 cup. So it's like almost in a room. You're going to pour half of that in here. Or you should pour the whole thing. Three-quarters of a 1/3 of a cup of that. And you're going to take your little bit of the bean liquid. And you go in here. There's your salt. It's literally just like a tiny bit. Fire. Alright, I'll be back. You're going to take a tablespoon. It's just a measuring thing that I have. That's wild ass supplies. Again, these are salty, so you don't want to add salt in it. I'm just using it with a scoop. 2, maybe 3. I like these things a lot. I'm going to take a little bit of the juice, throw it in there. Alright, get a little bit more water. If I had like white wine or something, I would use that right now. I just want to make sure everything gets unstuck from the bottom. I cook these until they're soft. And just cook until they're soft. And you see all those flavors are infused in there. One sec. Spoon. So come to your rice cooker, putting it in my rice cooker, just like so. Okay, mix it. There's no salt in here yet, either. I haven't even put water in it. Alright. So. 1, 2, 3, that's 1 cup. 4. Mix it. See where the water level's at. Everything's flattened out. See how the water is barely over. That's 5. Shit. Fucked up. So I'm gonna take some of this. I'm not gonna use all this liquid. I don't want to use it all. I don't want my stuff salty. Alright, it's not salty at all, which is perfect, because it's gonna get salty as you cook it. So, kosher salt. It's not a lot, it's just a little bit. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Water up. I'm gonna stir this. I'm gonna add just a little bit more rice because I might have added too much liquid. Not a lot of rice though. Just a little bit. Stir it back up. I'm a nervous cook, I swear. Alright. Now, thanks to my mom, we're literally just gonna push the button and we're gonna wait for it to cook. And that's it. We'll be back. Alright, so it's probably been like 20 minutes. The rice cooker's done. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I'm just gonna pop it open and give it a cook. It's hot, bro. My mom would be pissed because she tells me not to open it, even though it's done. The thing popped up. That's fire. We're gonna put the lid back on. Now, I'm gonna hit the cook button again because I want the bottom to get a little crispy. Be back. Alright, so now that your Arroz Con Gandules are done, you're good to go. You can eat. Just a little sticky. Bottom's gonna be a little bit burnt. I forgot what it's called, but it's super fire. Now, all you gotta do is make whatever meat you want. I'm gonna make steak. I'm not making it in this video. This was just a video for the rice. But yeah. Thanks, guys.